Umuthi niguo koragwo ari muthi wa thi yothe kurora makinya maria matacukitio hari kugacirithia mathomo o undu umwe na kurora mihinga iria ingikorwo niguo gwetha kihonia. Bururi wa Kenya onaguo ndunatigwo na thutha. Umuthi Ministry ya Githomo unyitaniri na gikundi gia Safaricom Foundation, gikundi kia reli hamwe na ikundi ingi magiire na gikiro gia kurora makinya maria matacukitio hari kugacirithia githomo na mathenya maria mariho mabatie guthingwo.
We always think about it as an opportunity to nurture every learner's potential, but the question on the table is how then do we need to rethink and transform the literacy spaces and by extension overall learning spaces.
Also, even as we look at other subjects that learners are going to be exposed to, literacy becomes the basis. They will need to know how to read for them to understand the science terms.
Na hari ripoti ya uthuthuria rierekereirio ni gikundi kia Uwezo yonanitie ati ona thengia wa namba nene ya arutwo gukorwo ni marathie thukuru marathomithio o mathomo manini kuona ona arutwo aria mari grade ya kana no gicunji kia 40% mataukirwo wega ni mathomo ma grade 3. Muikariri giti wa Safaricom Foundation Joseph Ogutu akiuga muoroto wao ni kunyitanira niguo kurumia muthingi wa mathomo.
For us as employers and the private sector, we have a vested interest. We want to make sure that those learners have got the right foundation so that when they come to us and they go to higher academic levels, they're able to cope with the theories, with the learning that is required to prepare them for the work environment.
Akiaria handu-ini ha Ministry ya Githomo Kawira Gikambi augite ona hindi ya king'uki gia COVID-19 bururi wa Kenya ni wahotire gutacukia makinya hari gutwarithia mathomo na mbere kugerera nenda. Riu akiuria aciari na anyiti itemi yothe guthie na mbere na kunyitanira niguo kugacirithia githomo makiria.
As a ministry, we acknowledge the need for collaboration and have consistently created opportunities to partner with all of you. Further, CBC offers a window for contextualizing the learning experiences. This ensures that classroom experiences are relatable to children, offering the much-needed continuity between home and school.
Maya magithiaga na mbere, Minister wa Githomo Professor George Magoha niaugite ati muciari wothe uri na haho ya mwana wake guthie junior secondary thukuru cia gukomo ari na rutha rwa kumutwara thukuru ya kuinuka iria mukuhiriirie.
People saying CBC will be domiciled in day school. There is no problem. They can even put them in day schools near themselves. The point of departure for us is that we are also saying the boarding schools which have spaces can also have them.
Magoha ekwaragia mwena wa gicua-ini hindi ya kunyabara wakiwa irathi cia CBC. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Bururi.